So welcome back guys, and in this video of the Xpath function we're going to see the second function, that is contains. Okay, so contains function is used for finding the dynamic web element. Again, just like the starts with function, we used it for finding the dynamically changing web attribute. Okay, we had a web element in which we had a dynamically changing attribute, that is what I mean to say, and we located that particular web element using that particular dynamically changing attribute. Okay, so that is why contains is also used, but the major difference is that starts with only locates that element which starts with a static portion. Okay, it cannot find a mid value inside the ID or any attribute which is changing dynamically and use that middle value. Okay, it has to starts with constant thing. Okay, for example, here user is constant. Again, user does not changed when I reloaded the page. Okay, so it is starting with a constant part. So that is what is important for using starts with function. But in case of contains, we just need something that the dynamically changing element is containing, be it in the starting, be it in the middle, be it in the end. Okay, so the second point says that any partial value can be provided to find a particular web element. Okay, any partial value, that means you can pick it from the front, you can pick it from the middle, you can pick it from the end. Okay, any partial value you can use to provide find a particular web element using that particular attribute. And then format is / tag name contains @attribute comma value. It is kind of similar to starts with, because starts with was having / tag name, starts with @attribute comma value. So now let us see a script. Again, I think that I should take the same example. Again, I have opened the salesforce.com, and that is the start my free trial page over the salesforce.com, and then I'm inspecting this page and clicking on the inspector button and then first name, and then you can see that here we have ID is equals to user first name, and this was dynamically changing, right? So let me reload it. Okay, so again you can see that this portion changed. So it is starting with a constant part, but we will use a middle part, or this part, first name. If I identify this particular web element first name with the ID is equals to just this much first name, then will it be able to identify? So let's check out. We cannot use this particular first name. Only if we use the first name, we have to use contains. We cannot use starts with first name, okay, because it is starting with user first name. So we need to write user first name as we have written in the previous video completely in order to if we are trying to use the starts with function of the Xpath. So let's now go to the script, and we have navigated to the Salesforce start my free trial page, and then we have maximized the window, and then we need to type in here the let me remove user, and I'm only using first name. Okay, and then I have to write here contains. Okay, yeah, contains @ID comma first name. So let me save it. So you can see here contains first name, ID is containing first name. Okay, so that is what we are using here in order to locate the this particular web element. Let us minimize this, and then we should run the script and then see that what is happening. Okay, it opened the Chrome, and then it loaded the website. Okay, it typed in here the hello new user. Okay, you can see that it has been typed properly, and then it closed the website. So our script ran completely, and we were able to successfully write and type in the hello new user in the first name placeholder. Okay, so this is how we use the contains function of the Xpath, and in the next video we're going to learn more concepts about the Xpath. So till then, keep learning and keep watching. Thank you.